RPC 699er, backtrack line up runway 35.
Backtrack line up runway 35, RPC 8699er.
RPC 8526 for Charlie 1 taxi runway Bravo, Park B9er for PNP inspection.
Ako na yung video mo.
Bay9,
Opo, pag-bayaran.
Thank you sir, and good day, 8526.
8526, good day. RPC 8699er, runway 35, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, RPC 8699er.
Take up 3887 at 4 miles northeast of First Station, sir, 800.
After 6887, confirm northeast.
Northeast of First Station, sir, 6887.
6887, you may leave this frequency.
Frequency 6887.
Leg supply. Rudder neutral. Battery at full power. RPM stable. Engine is power green. Missing brakes.
Over Santimon, crossing 1,500 to 2,500.
RPC 1007, you may contact Clark approach 119er decimal 2.
We contact Clark approach 119er decimal 2.
Airspeed alive, airspeed 40. Airspeed
Tower
50.
RPC 6951, number 1 holding on runway 35, request full and departure for traffic pattern.
RPC
Airspeed 50,
6951,
rotate.
hold short.
6951 holding short.
Maintaining airspeed 60.
RPC 6951, enter Charlie 5.
Maintaining 60.
Backtrack line up
Timing
runway
300 feet.
17. Runway 17 in use now, wind shifted southwest approximately 8 knots.
We'll enter the runway for 17
Airspeed
departure.
65. Timing to 300 feet. Maintaining heading of 350.
Start by ka, runway tayo.
Up.
Runway change, okay?
Runway change. Okay, Kap.
Tayo mo lang, sige, patito ka lang.
Okay, Kap. Continue ko lang yung pattern ka pa. Okay, continue.
Ano yun, ano yun?
So, continue ko lang, Kap.
Continue.
Okay.
Tayo mo instruction niya sa'yo.
Continue climb. Approaching reference, clear turns, clear right. Clear front, clear left. 15 degree back to the left, commencing. Climb to 300, to 700 feet. Flying right rudder for ball center. Next heading, 260. Training climb. Feet, leveling off. RPM, the closing RPM of 2200. Okay, approaching reference, clearing turns, clear right, clear front, clear left. Maintaining 700 feet, airspeed 75. Closing RPM. Give you a reference, 15 degree back to the left, commencing. Right rudder for ball center. Maintaining 700 feet. Turn coordinator, ball center. Next heading, 170.
Reference.
Okay, Kap.
Tawag ka na.
Maintaining 700 feet. Airspeed 75 feet.
Tower.
Okay. Bridal Tower, RPC 8699er on downwind.
RPC 8699er, runway 17 in use now. Make a right turn to join right downwind of runway 17.
Making a right turn to join downwind for runway 17. Runway 17, RPC 799.
Okay, Kap.
Microphone.
Air control, Kap.
RPC 6951, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
6951, safe.
transmission is cutting out.
Report takeoff 6951.
Two controls.
My controls.
Tower RP 699 established late now with runway 17.
RPC 699, number 1, traffic departing runway 17, continue approach.
Number 1, continue approach RP 699.
Okay, go.
Okay, speed check, house power, white arc, lobster.
Unity grip to the right, commencing. Low green arc.
Okay, white arc, lobster.
White arc, flaps 10. Landing lights on.
Okay, descend to 600.
Descending to 600.
600 approaching.
Approaching 600, leveling off.
Flaps 20.
RPC 699, wind west, approximately 8 knots. Runway 17, clear to land.
Near to land. RPC 8699er. Fixing altitude, nose down, reducing power. Approaching reference, clean, turns clear left, clear front, clear right. 600 feet, applying cruising altitude, cruising RPM. Okay, continue. A-beam reference. Different degree back to the right, commencing. Flying right rudder for ball center. Reducing power to below green arc.
1900 lang muna initially.
One is to the runway. Airspeed 70. Correcting it. Reducing power. One is to the runway. Airspeed 65.
On the glide.
Maintaining airspeed. One is to the runway.
Retail Tower Helicopter 7133. Good morning.
Helicopter 7133, Citadel Tower.
7133 departed Manila and we're now over Mekawayan. And destination is Binalonan to pass east of the
Yeah,
station,
shopping power.
800 feet.
Nose down. Maintaining.
Helicopter 7133, suggest report 5 miles
Breaking
east
the
of the
glide.
station, no reported traffic. QNH not available.
5 miles east of the station, 716.
Bad, that bad.
Helicopter
Use more rudder, okay, more rudder.
Center line na lang up.
Estimate Binalonan 0400.
Report 00.
Station, sir. 7133.
RPC 699, navigate Charlie 5, taxi holding point 17, there Bravo.
Vacating Charlie 5. Taxi holding point 17 via Bravo. RPC 8699er.
RPC 6951 on downwind.
RPC 6951, number 1, continue approach.
Continue approach 6951.
Last two pattern.
Okay po.